Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Toni and I'm a homeschooling mom to 4 kids, and I just got this box in the mail today. I'm so excited. And we just started school yesterday, and I wanted to unbox it for you guys, so we didn't do handwriting yesterday. So I need to get this open, but I wanted to do it in front of you guys. So we're gonna open up the Good and the Beautiful curriculum that I ordered from them. I'm super excited. My kids are outside playing right now. We did some school. They're outside playing. Lunch is cooking. We're gonna get this open. So if you guys wanna see what I ordered, then stay tuned. Okay, so let's see what's inside the Good and the Beautiful. So I've got 4 kids. Like I said, they are grades 7th, 5th, 3rd, and kindergarten. So I got a little bit of something for everybody here. So, what does this say? Welcome to a good and beautiful education. That's cute. See that? Okay, so let's see what's in here. They have the best bubble wrap. It's like big honkin' bubble wrap. Okay, so everything is really nicely packaged in here, just so you guys can see. I'll just pull out a little bit at a time and show you guys what we got. So, okay, I'm gonna cut this. All right, I've talked about the Good and the Beautiful before and how their curriculum, typically your kid will place the level below what grade they're in. So the grades I just told you, they're all gonna be the level below that. So this will be for what's on top, looks like it's for my 3rd grader. So we have pretty level 2 course book. So this is the language arts and literature, which has phonics, reading, spelling, writing, grammar and punctuation, literature, poetry and memorization, art and geography, all is in this book, which is pretty awesome. I'll do a flip through sometime if you guys want to see what's inside, but it looks awesome. So we have her level 2 personal reader. So this is all the stories that she's going to read. She loved the level 1 reader, so I'm really excited about this. She absolutely loved it. And this is the level 2 shared reader. So the personal reader is what she would read on her own, and then the shared reader is what she would read out loud with me. Looks good. Awesome. Okay, this looks like the level 4, which is for my 5th grader. So let me open this up. Okay. So the level 4, I have heard such good things about the level 4. I'm really excited. Last year was the first time we did the Good and the Beautiful, and I just remember hearing that the level 4 was a lot of people's favorite. So this is the language and literature level 4 course book. Same thing. It's got literature, grammar and usage, punctuation, art, geography, spelling, vocabulary, and writing. So that is her level 4. I love that it includes so much stuff in one book. And then this is spelling and writing, level 4 workshop. So that's pretty cool. See, I ordered a different spelling curriculum, and this looks interesting. So we might end up wanting to use both. I'm not sure how that's gonna work, but that looks really cool. Then we have the level 4 world biographies reader. Looks like mostly, it doesn't really have a ton of pictures in that one, which is fine. And then this is the level 4 personal reader. And also, so this one doesn't have as many like colored pictures as the level 2 did, but it looks good. Everything looks good. Okay, so now this should all be for, I didn't get anything, I don't think I got anything for my kindergartner because he's using something different this year. If you didn't see that video and you're curious what my kindergartner is using, I had a curriculum week last week. So all my curriculum that I'm using for all my kids, there was a video out each day. So if you want to know what he's using, I will link that in the description box below, that he's not doing the Good and the Beautiful. Okay, so here is the language, arts, and literature level 6 course book. This includes literature, grammar and usage, punctuation, art, geography, spelling, vocabulary, and writing. I just love these books. They're so pretty. It's such a thorough curriculum. I love the Good and the Beautiful. Okay, this is the answer key. I love that the answer key is in a separate book. I don't know, last year it was in the same as their course companion or something, but this is nice. The entire book is just a separate answer key, which just makes grading easier. This is the level 6 reader for her. Okay. And then I believe this was for her. She had one book that came with it. This is the Little Lord Fauntleroy. So this is the Little Lord Fauntleroy. How do you say that? Fauntleroy. Little Lord Fauntleroy. I don't know. Okay, this is the book that she's going to be reading that I believe this goes with the 6th grade because it was with all this. So, or the level 6. She's in 7th grade, but this is the level 6. So that's just a book she's supposed to read with this. I don't know how to pronounce it though. Then I also got handwriting for all of my kids. So there's the level 3 handwriting. I love their handwriting. Their handwriting is so fun. I love it. This is the level 5 handwriting. So this is cursive. I wonder if level 3 starts with cursive. So level 3 does start introducing cursive because she didn't do any cursive last year. So level 3 starts with the cursive. 5 is cursive, and then there's the level 7. So if you guys want to see any flip throughs of any of these, just let me know. So this is, I like that the handwriting includes a lot of art mixed in there too. So that's it. That is all that I got from The Good and the Beautiful this year. I'm so excited to get started on all this. We do a big mix of curriculum, but if you like The Good and the Beautiful and want to see the other things that we do, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you are notified every time one of my videos comes out, because we do day in the lives. I do a lot of curriculum, flip throughs, and just explanations of different curriculums and reviews and things like that. So if you like all things homeschool, and I'm thrifty, so if you like thrifty stuff too, make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you're notified every time one of those videos comes out. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. I'm super excited. If you guys want to see what I ordered, they have the best bubble wrap. It's like big honkin' bubble wrap. Oh, a little bit at a time. Anyway, I don't need to talk about that. Who is that? But it looks good. Everything looks good. The Little Lord Fauntleroy. So this is the Little Lord Fauntleroy. How do you say that? Fauntleroy. Little Lord Fauntleroy. I don't know. I wonder if level 3 starts with cursive. And if you just, and I'm thrifty, so I'll see you next time. Bye.